All right, another successful day at work. Got no complaints. Excellent customer who's actually turned out to be my neighbor. Cool people, man. Cool people. Super cool. It was nice to, meet them rather than just say hello in passing awkwardly. You know how you do with your neighbors. And that's that. So now it's time to ride to Chili's for my Monday night Chili's dinner that I do with my nephew and my brother. And here we go. Let's see. I don't give a fuck. Fuck the FedEx guy. Alright, let's see. Suck my... Everybody and the fucking mother comes this way. Alright, let's see. Come on. Alright. Cool. Let me close the fucking visor. Yeah. Super cool customers. Got a beautiful car, traded in their lease. We made it work for them. But I slept like shit last night. Goddamn. I just could not stay asleep at all. So no energy drinks or anything like that. No Red Bulls or Monsters. Because I plan on going to sleep nice and early tonight. Let's fucking... you know what? This may not have been the best place. I don't really have an escape path. Oh well. I'm in God's hands now. $4.99 premium. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Can't wait till the election. Oh, I love the pop-pops from the muffler. So I learned that you only get that in race mode. Like I used to ride in dynamic all the time, and I wouldn't get those pops. And then I put in race mode and started doing that, and I was just like, oh, cool. I fuck with it. But yeah, I'm just trying to save up money so I can buy the headers in the mid pipe, the titanium, and then do the BT Moto. Use S1K DK's code when I'm ready to do that. Help another S1K owner out. This is the worst part about my commute, is riding through here, because there's so many potential hazards and people just run out in the street. It's not my favorite place to be. So I pretty much stay in first gear this entire way, just in case. My stomach hurts. I haven't eaten all day. I'm so fucking hungry. What you gonna do? Make me miss the light, Karen. Custom one. I see. You know what, let me move it up, you know, for people who want to, because the train tracks are right there. Try to be as courteous as possible. Oh, I can never find neutral on this fucking bike. I always gotta shift it up in the second and kick it down into neutral. I can't wait to get the fucking Chili's. Oh, here we go. I gotta stay behind the custom one. So I'm not gonna ride crazy, you know, I'm not really willing to commit felonies. I mean, I'll just do over the speed limit every now and then in Mexico. I'm not gonna like split between cars and stuff. I don't know. I don't have the confidence. I'm scared. Whatever. She was cute. I don't even know what I want to get at Chili's. I might do baby back ribs. I was thinking about it today. Barbecue sauce. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm going to read the menu. See what they got. Maybe I'll try something new. Because I always get the burger. I always get their burger. They got a smash burger. Try that. But I had a smash burger last night at my stepfather's. Whatever. We'll see what happens. Now I have to sit and learn how to edit videos, because I have no fucking clue what I'm doing. No clue whatsoever. And I gotta figure out, because when I'm recording with my GoPro, it like cuts my video in half. I gotta figure out how to like overcome that challenge. So I want like one decent sized video of the ride. Or maybe I should just learn how to edit and just splice good parts all together, so you're not just sitting here listening to me ramble about really honestly nothing important. Today it was like 86 degrees. I fucking hate the heat. Oh, that was a cop. Look how long it took me to process that. Man, ADD is crazy. The evil clown! The evil clown! His name is Calico, and it was named by a little girl, I believe. There was a contest, and that used to be Food Circus, and now it is a Circus Liquors. It's a liquor store. And they got a gigantic selection. Friendly staff. And they have everything I need. A beautiful sunset. I hope these people see me. My biggest fear to like be rear-ended. Ugh. What I love about this BMW, I love where the clutch grabs. It grabs so beautifully. And then the upshifting is really, really buttery smooth. Really nice, man. I really am so happy that I got this bike. Like, yeah, I miss my Indian Challenger. I miss the comfort and everything. But, like, this is just a completely different animal. And I love it. And now I have to roll off the throttle. I went too fast. And then I gotta roll off. And then I gotta roll off. Jump out in front of everybody. Jump out. Smooth. Ah, la policía. Ay, ay, ay. Wait, that wasn't a cop. I think it was. Whatever. Not my monkey, not my circus. I found neutral. Yay! First try. I love this auto fucking hill hold thing. I can just relax my arms. I will learn how to sit on this bike better. I'm just so used to the Cruiser. I've been riding Cruisers for like 5 years. Alright, let's go. here. I gotta avoid it. There it is. It's like the Grand fucking Canyon. Alright. DoorDashers waiting to pick up. What a lovely graduation. Did you even see me? Did you even see me? Go, you're already... Oh. Alright, let's figure this shit out. Parking. So many cars. Alright. Perfect. In the shade. Alright, well that does it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and yeah, come hang out with me. Alright? Be well.